You are looking for local builders near Ewell in Surrey? Local builders from Surrey can build for your home driveways, house extensions, loft conversion and basement renovation, including home project management, during your home investment. You are searching for local builders in Surrey? For door and windows replacement, painters, decorators or floor and wall tiles replacement, please call us. You are planning kitchen renovation? We can do it including kitchen refitting and kitchen cabinet replacement. If you need plumbing services because water leaking, we can repiping, or repair burst pipes. We offer full bathroom renovations like shower installation, toilet installation and bathtub installation inside any type of home. If you are looking for home service in Surrey like electric service or boiler repair service, we can help you. Just call us. For you and your family health, we can install home water filtration system or independent water softener installation. Don't forget to like our video. Please visit our website www.localbuilderssurrey.co.uk. Thank you.